Welcome back, guys. Kuma here, and this is the Kit Kat Mint Dark Chocolate. I'm trying that out for just the candy bar reviews. So, let's do it. Looking really good so far. I already did Kit Kats before with the kabuki pose, but now let's see what these are. Looks like they're glowing in the dark. Wafer. Really good. Just like a mint chocolate chip ice cream. Really good. Basically, your Girl Scout cookies. The thin mint. It's really good. The dark. Wow. Ruminate. That minty flavor. Wow. The dark is like accentuating the flavor. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. You know, what a good day. Cool. Sorry for the lack of videos, but better late than never. Please comment, rate, you know, rate, comment, subscribe as always. And it helps a lot. I hate when I say that, but I have to promote. Everyone has to promote themselves. You know. So, until we meet again, Pause 376. Until we meet again, say good guys. Bye. Good guys.